what's lurking underneath the surface, when all we see are just the ripples and the fog. I was just living and learning, trying to keep my candle burning. I was just searching for a way to play along. Maybe I was wrong, maybe you were right. I'm not pointing fingers, I'm not trying to fight. What's this about now? Is it so hard to say? I miss what we had, what we lost along the way. I gotta figure this out, gotta get this thing right. I'm not going away, 'cause it's about time. It's about time, you said. It's about time, you said. What's on your mind?